Lot of color, custom lock screen theme. Disable Chinese languages on clock widget. Switch dark and light mode. Click to custom home screen widget. Click to close custom screen. Back effect. Beautiful control center. Hide Chinese language on bottom bar. Disable this toggle in Customize theme screen. Theme name on China Store. New iOS 26 3D theme. Double tap to custom lock screen. "3D effect lock screen wallpapers." Custom clock style. Custom date widgets. Widgets under clock. Change text on bottom bar. Enter any text into here. Transparent folder app. Control center. Settings UI dark and light mode. You can enable home screen dock. Enable it. Edit value to adjust dock. My phone 667-inch. Change value to 2185. Theme name on China Store. Next theme. Custom clock. Dynamic Island Custom. Home screen clock widget following lock screen custom. You can custom dock like previous theme. Enable and edit value. Theme name on China store. All themes include one backup file and video description. You can restore on your global devices. Watch tutorial in description if you don't know how to do it. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.